Meet Floë, brought to you by Lippert Components, an industry-first water drainage system that cleans your RV's freshwater pipes and tank with the flip of a switch. Stale, stagnant water left in the RV's water lines can encourage harmful bacteria growth. Floë solves this concern by pushing compressed air through your RV's freshwater lines, and it saves you time and money winterizing your RV professionally. With Floë, you can ensure that your RV's freshwater is always safe for your family, friends, and pets to use. How? It's simple. Floë uses mobile compressed air technology to quickly drain down your RV. Floë was engineered and designed to work with your RV's 12-volt electrical system, so it's easy to install and even easier to operate. Here's how it works. Prior to installation, shut off all the water in your RV. Then, attach your Floë system to a solid, secure surface in your RV, preferably near the water heater storage area and the main cold water outlet hose. Once attached, cut your main outlet hose and, using the provided T attachment, connect the main hose to the hose on your Floë system. Next, connect Floë directly to your RV's 12-volt power source. And just like that, you've successfully installed your Floë. Wasn't that easy? Now you're ready to drain your water. Before turning Floë on, disconnect any external hose attached to your RV's city water inlet. Next, identify all of your RV's fresh water sources, such as sinks and showers. Turn on both the hot and cold water valves and completely drain out all fresh water from the lines. Once the water stops flowing, close all of the valves. Now, it's time for Floë to get to work. Floë will immediately begin to build the appropriate air pressure threshold. Once the pressure is built, you can open one valve to release your first water line. Hot and cold water lines will need to be drained separately. When the water line completely drains, turn the valve off to let Floë rebuild pressure. When pressure is rebuilt in the system, Floë will shut off. Repeat this process for every hot and cold water connection inside your RV. After the last hot and cold water fixture has been drained, go back and test each line one more time to see if any more water exists. If there is still water present, repeat the flushing process again. Once every line is completely empty, Floë has done its job. With Floë, you'll have the peace of mind knowing you'll have clean, worry-free water for your next camping trip, whenever that may be. Keep flowing with the Floë water drainage system, brought to you by Lippert Components.